Is this the best new construction floor plan in Sherman for under $360,000? Let's find out. Today, I'm going to be walking you through Brightland Homes at Pebblebrook. This is one of our newest builders in Sherman. Today, the Laurel floor plan is their model that we'll be seeing. This home is a little over 2,000 square feet. It can be 3 or 4 bedroom, 2 or 3 car garage, which is a really nice offering, 2 bathrooms, and it is all on a single story. Walking into this open kitchen, of course, it's the model home, so they are showing you everything that you can possibly get in the kitchen, but I am here for it. Look at these gorgeous cabinets, the choice backsplash that you can get, solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances. Within the gourmet lifestyle kitchen, you can have granite countertops, ceramic tile backsplash, a spacious pantry and sunlit casual dining area, 42-inch wood cabinetry with crown molding, the large kitchen island if that is part of the floor plan that you choose. Like I said, stainless steel appliances, including a 30-inch freestanding range with self-cleaning oven, dishwasher, and a space maker microwave. This neighborhood also has gas, so you can choose gas appliances if that is your preference. A stainless steel sink with chrome faucet and vegetable sprayer, garbage disposal, and a convenient ice maker hookup. It feels like they have taken every square inch of the kitchen and utilized it to make it absolutely luxury. So those are the offerings that you can get in the kitchen. And then of course you can color customize it as well. The white cabinets, you could do wood stained cabinets. Into the dining area, the flex dining and living area, I'm such a fan of, because if you have a smaller table, you can make your living room larger, vice versa. Plus all of the windows along the wall that let the natural light come into this home. It feels like you probably don't need to have the lights on, but let's talk about the lights. You do have the recessed lighting with the LED lights. Also, that ceiling fan package comes in the living room, and if you choose a floor plan with the game room, the ceiling fan comes in that as well. You can add ceiling fans to the bedrooms. Also, check out this accent wall. I like the way they show you what you can do with color and what it does for the room. Obviously, your TV would be on that wall if you set it up this way. Out through the back door is a nice little covered patio and a privacy fenced backyard. And then tucked away on this side of the home is 2 bedrooms. First is your primary bedroom. And this is such a neat feature. So you have the 2 large windows, but then those almost transom windows on that far wall. You still get the privacy that you prefer in your primary bedroom, obviously, but I'm such a fan of natural light. I like that it gives you all that extra light in the room. These walls are dark. If you prefer a dark color for your decor, look here, you can still get that natural light in. Plus, again, you get the recessed, and they added the ceiling fan package in this room. There's vinyl flooring here, but you could choose carpet if you wanted to. And into the primary bathroom, which stay tuned because I'm about to show you one of my favorite features in this home. You have a large Hollywood style tub plus a walk-in shower, a ceramic tile skirt and tile backsplash, the chrome plumbing fixtures, and there's 42-inch tall mirrors. You get to choose the tile out of their design center. I like the dark tile. I think that's fun. I like that they're showing you all of the broad options that they have. There's a water closet there, and then into the primary closet, I love that there are upper and lower hang bars. Just maximizes your hang space. And then also these built-in shelves for shoes, or if you have storage bins. There's just doesn't feel like a single square inch of this house is wasted. And here is my favorite. This door is in the primary closet and it connects to the laundry room. This is something I have only seen custom builders do. So the fact that Brightland has added it into their features, I absolutely love it. So you can do laundry and you can put it away immediately into your primary closet. Love, love, love this. That hand-laid tile is included in all Brightland homes. Obviously, that is their higher level tile, but tile in the wet areas. You can see back into this primary bathroom, there is tile on the floor here, it goes up the side of the tub, and then they chose the decorative tile to do the surround and into the shower. Double sinks in all primary bathrooms. Again, they went with the white cabinets here, but you could do a different stain color if that was more what you were looking for. I like the lights over the window, just the large window over the tub, just an all-around great spa-like feel in this primary bath. And remember, this home starts at $354,900. So you are not spending huge custom dollars, but yet you can get in this home that's over 2,000 square feet and truly customize it to what you want it to be. Outside of the primary bedroom is this second bedroom. They have it set up as a nursery, which is precious. You can see they've used carpet on the floor here. There's a window. I like the angled ceiling, just giving it a little more architectural feel. But if you needed that to be an office, you could set that up also. That is counted as a bedroom, by the way. So you have the primary bedroom and a second bedroom on this side, on the back side of the house, back behind the living dining area, and then we will work our way back towards the front of the home. Around this corner, I'm going to show you where the other access to the laundry room is. So remember, it connected from the primary closet, but here's the hall access as well. So again, I like that it's centrally located. If you're doing laundry, it can slide right into these other bedrooms. These are great second and third bedroom, or third and fourth, we're counting now. I love that they stage them so you can see what it's going to look like with furniture in it. Rooms feel small when they're empty. So Brightland has staged this model home so that you can see how versatile you can get with color, how versatile you can get with your finishes, what it looks like with the natural light coming in. They each have spacious closets. You can see again, that chrome finish door handles that we discussed, like the trim. This bedroom also has carpet as well. While I have your attention, let's talk a little bit about the neighborhood, Brightland Homes at Pebblebrook. Something super special about this neighborhood, there is no HOA in here. So you're not going to come in and think, whoa, I'm getting a heck of a deal, and then they're going to start stacking other fees on top of it. No HOA, no PID, no mud. So you are paying your principal and interest, property taxes, and insurance. Just like if you were purchasing a home in a pre-owned neighborhood, or basically one without an HOA. So that's a huge selling point for Brightland. It is also located near the new Sherman High School. So if you have a family that might eventually have a kid in high school, or you do currently have a kid in high school, that would be a super easy commute for them every morning. There are sidewalks connecting from this neighborhood to the high school. So if you have a walker or a bike rider, or again, if you just want to drive, it's less than a 2-minute drive from Brightland at Pebblebrook to the Sherman High School. There's also a ton of new restaurants and retail going up around there. This is going to be your second full bath. You can personalize it and customize it however you see fit. I like that they did different colors in here so you can see tile surround on all of the tubs. So no drop-in tubs here. I do love this decorative tile, but if that's not your thing, you could definitely go more of a solid color in there. 3.5-inch baseboards and 2.5-inch casing throughout, because we talked about the trim. I like the tile that they chose in here too. A couple of just safety energy features that they offer. There's vinyl windows with low E3 glazing, tankless hot water heater. You have tons of insulation, a programmable thermostat, smoke detectors throughout, and water conserving commodes. All exterior doors are professionally weather stripped, and like we discussed, you get the LED disc lighting. So trying to make it as energy efficient as possible. Finishing here at the front of the house. This is an office. This is not a bedroom. So we had the 2 bedrooms in the back, the 2 bedrooms in the middle, just near the second bathroom. And then this office is at the very front. Again, I love that transom-esque window, 3 window across the side wall. And then you have a full-size window at the front. Customizable French doors there if you want the glass or the solid front. Again, you can see a choice of the vinyl flooring that they have in here. And then where that says Brightland, that would be your door into your garage. So it is a front-facing garage. And again, you can choose 2 or 3 car garage. I'd love to set up an appointment with you to connect you to the sales representative at Brightland. They are making some excellent deals right now because they are new to the Sherman community and they want awesome people purchasing their home. So let me know if you'd like to set up that. Here is the view of that cute covered patio. So awesome. You can see here there's space for a table if you wanted to have a grill. The yards are fully sodded. That is included in the pricing, and the privacy fence is included as well. This is a spacious yard. The lot size is decent. You'll be able to have a playground in the back, plenty of space to entertain if that is your thing. These homes have a 10-year limited warranty, professionally engineered post-tension foundations, and all of that is warranted as well. If you are interested in learning more about Brightland Homes, I would love to connect you with the sales representative out there. Let's connect.